Want your first 1000 subscribers on YouTube? Do this and you can reach 1000 subscribers faster than you think. Most people in Papua New Guinea start YouTube, but they quit before they reach 1000 subscribers. Today I'm going to show you a simple strategy to hit your first 1000 subscribers fast, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome back to PNG YouTube Talk, your go-to YouTube channel on growth, YouTube tips, growth strategies, and making money online right here in Papua New Guinea and all over the world. If you are serious about growing your channel, please hit the subscribe button now. Before we start this video, let's talk about why 1000 subscribers is important. I'm gonna give you 3 main points on it. Reaching 1000 subscribers is important because it's a big milestone. That's one. 2, if we reach 1000 subscribers, or if we reach 500 plus subscribers, we will get into monetization stage. That's 2. It builds credibility and trust on your channel. But most importantly, it proves that your content is working. Step 1, post shorts. Shorts are the fastest way to grow on YouTube right now. Why? Because YouTube push shorts into a new audience. Even if you have 0 subscribers, you don't need subscribers to go viral. One short can reach 1000 people, or one short can reach thousands of people. For example, if we post 2 shorts per day, that's 60 shorts in 1 month. One of those shorts can blow up and bring you hundreds of subscribers. Remember, keep shorts under 30 seconds. Start with a strong hook. Add captions. Step 2, focus on one topic only. This is where most beginners make big mistake. They post random content. Today is game, tomorrow is news, next day is another comedy, where they confuse YouTube algorithm. YouTube needs to understand your channel. If your channel is purposely for YouTube tips, then stick on that topic. Example, PNG styles, YouTube tips, PNG news, comedy skills, street interviews. Just pick one and stay consistent on that niche that you are, or on the topic that you are doing. Step 3, use your strong hooks, because you must remember that first 3 seconds of a video, it decides everything. If people stop scrolling, your video is dead. Example of the hooks: stop scrolling if you want to grow on YouTube. That's another one. Number 2, you are making a big mistake right now. That's number 2. Number 3, this is the reason why your channel is not growing. Those are some of the hooks that you can do when starting your content. Your hooks should create curiosity or agency, because those hooks can make people watch your video and make people more interested on your content that you are uploading. It is the most secret thing that people ignore. Make sure to reply to every comment that your subscribers or even non-subscribers are commenting on a video. Make sure to reply from their comments on your content that you are uploading. Why? Because it builds community, make your viewers loyal. They will feel that, oh, the owner of this channel is replying on my channel. You see? So they will, whatever post that you're gonna make, they will continuously comment, because they know that you are there, you are active. Because that is the most valuable thing to increase your engagement. For example, if someone is watching a video and then he just comment on a recent video, make sure to reply on that comment and then tell him, maybe you can tell him, if you want more of this content, please don't forget to subscribe on this video. So it can, when he saw your comment, then he or she will subscribe. So let me give you some bonus tips to grow your channel faster. On my previous videos, as I said, don't give up, guys. Post consistently. Improve every video. Study what works, what is the content that is working on your channel. Copy your best performing videos. Don't try to be perfect. Just start now. If you follow these steps, posting shorts daily, focusing on one topic, using strong hooks, and engaging your audience. You will reach 1000 subscribers. Subscribe if you watch this content more helpful. Subscribe and let's start together. For more content like this on my channel, PNG YouTube Tok Tok, I'll be uploading some of the videos maybe weekly. And thank you so much. I think that's it for today's episode or tonight's episode, wherever that you are watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more content like this. Signing out.